Hi students, let us try to understand kinetic molecular theory of gases. What do you mean by this here? So far we have learned the law like Boyle's law, Charles law, etc., which are no concise statement of experimental fact observed in the laboratory by scientists. Okay, so whatever the Boyle's law there, Charles law there, Gay-Lussac's law there, they are the concise statement of experimental fact observed in the laboratory by the scientist. Okay, these were the point. Now, what the next point they are saying? Conducting careful experiment is an important aspect of scientific method. Conducting careful experiment is an important aspect of scientific method, and it tells us how the particular system is behaving under different condition. You know what the point they are saying? It tells us how the particular system is behaving under the different condition. However, once the experimental facts are established, a scientist is curious to know why the system is behaving in that way. For example, gas law helps us to predict that pressure increases when we compress gas, but we would like to know what happens at molecular level when a gas is compressed. A theory is constructed to answer such a question. A theory is model a mental picture that establishes us to better understand our observation. The theory that attempt to elucidate the behavior of gas is known as kinetic molecular theory. So let us I read out the I didn't explain anything. Okay. So I told you initially that is whatever the Boyle's law, Charles law there, they are the experimental truth. Okay. Now what they are saying, it tells how the particular system is behaving under the different condition. However, once the experimental facts are established, a scientist is curious to know why the system is behaving in this way. Okay. For example, gas law help us to predict that the pressure increases when the compress gas, but we would like to know what happened at molecular level when a gas compress. A theory is constructed to answer such a question. A theory is a model, that is a mental picture that enable us to better understand our observation. The theory that attempt to elucidate the behavior of gases is known as kinetic molecular theory of the gases. Assumption or the postulates of kinetic molecular theory of gases are given below. These postulates are related to the atoms and molecules which cannot be seen. Molecular theory of the gases given below, these postulates are related to atoms and molecules which cannot be seen. Hence, it is said to provide a microscopic model of the gases. Gases consist of large number of identical particles, atom and molecule that are so small and so far apart on the average that the actual volume of the molecules is negligible in comparison to empty space between them. They are considered as point masses. These assumptions explain the great compressibility of the gas. There is no force of attraction between the particles of the gas at ordinary temperature and pressure. The support for these assumptions comes from the fact that gases expand and occupy all the space available to them. Particles of the gas are always in constant and random motion. If the particle were at the rest and occupy the fixed position, then a gas would have had the fixed shape which is not observed. Particles of the gas move in all possible directions in a straight line. During their random motion, they collide with each other, and with the wall of the container, pressure is exerted by the gas as a result of collision of the particle with the wall of the container. Collision of the gas molecule are perfectly elastic. This means that total energy of molecule before and after collision remains the same. There may be exchange of the energy between the colliding molecule. Their individual energy may change, but the sum of their energy remain constant. If there were loss of kinetic energy, the motion of molecule will stop and gases will settle down. This is the contrary to what actually observed. At any particular time, different particles in the gas have different speed and hence different kinetic energy. This assumption is reasonable because as the particle collide, we expect their speed to change even if the initial speed of all the particles was same. The molecular collisions will disrupt this uniformity. Consequently, the particle must have different speed which go on changing constantly. It is possible to show that though the individual speed of changing, the distribution of speed remains constant at a particular temperature. If a molecule has variable speed, then it must have the variable kinetic energy. Under these circumstances, we can talk only about the average kinetic energy. In kinetic theory, it is assumed that average kinetic energy of the gas molecule is directly proportional to absolute temperature. It is seen that on heating a gas at constant volume, the pressure increase on heating the gas, kinetic energy of the particles increases and these strike the wall of container more frequently, thus exerting more pressure. Kinetic theory of gases allow us to derive theoretically all the gas laws studied in the previous section, calculation and prediction. Based on kinetic theory of gases, agree very well with the experimental observation and thus establish the correctness of this model.